Doyin, she doesn't need a trolley. How you feeling today? Are you sure? Okay, that's amazing. Who's behind me? Oh, me? Don't follow.
Wow, guys, like watching these housemates all up in the same space, vibing together, it's bringing back the good old memories. I'm like, oh gosh, I missed Big Brother's house. Like, are you guys feeling what I'm feeling right now? Like, those days then where we had our faves all up in Big Brother's house now, like giving us premium content like every second of the day. I guess so, guys, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bbnaijalevelup, where you get all around entertainment gist. So if you've not subscribed, just quickly hit the subscribe button and make sure you click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post new videos. Okay, so guys, South Africa is such a beautiful place, and these great people are actually very welcoming. Like, see the way they were just giving this your housemate royal treatment. And guys, trust me, Pepsi went all out. Like, see where they lodged them now. See the hotel room. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing, guys? Your housemates are actually having fun here. Because guys, they just touched down and we've had enough like content for that will last us a long while. And this is just the first day, guys. We're going to get more coming, guys. Trust me. Like, this housemates, like, I like the fact that now like they are together again. You see them vibing. It's all love and light here. Nobody is dishing anybody. Everybody just trying to have wonderful time with the whole experience and other, guys. Seriously, and that one, I like seeing these people together. I'm getting emotional right now because, guys, trust me, like, I miss Big Brother's house. Like, like when you have something and you lose it and you not get to like get a taste of what you've lost. That's what I'm feeling right now. Like, then we had them all up in our face like every day, like every second, every day, and they went away, and now like we're seeing them like all up in our screens again, guys. It's actually something very wonderful. So, guys, are you feeling what I'm feeling? Like, are you ready for the whole South Africa treatment, South Africa experience? Because, guys, trust me, it's gonna be epic because we're already seeing it. We're seeing the shippers shipping already. We're seeing some friendship blossoming, and we're seeing some people, say obvious now, click this. Some people they enter some car with some people, while some people they enter some car with another people. But all of them, guys, whichever way it comes, whether the shipping or the bus boost or the everything, we are here for premium entertainment, guys. It's all about entertainment, and we the viewers, yeah, or you the viewers rather, you want to get entertained, and my job is to get you the entertainment of the rave of the moment. You know what I'm talking about, guys. So what are your thoughts on this? Like, are you enjoying what you're seeing? Just leave your comment in the comment section. I'd like to know your thoughts on this one. I guess, so guys, you have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notification anytime I post new videos, because, guys, trust me, it's going to be a long ride here of sweet entertaining videos from your Bbnaijalevelup Housemates. So, like, come back again, guys. It's bye for now.